In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blank page in Microsoft Word 2007. Blank pages usually come from invisible formatting, paragraph marks, manual page breaks, or stray spaces. So the fix is simply to reveal those marks, remove the extras, and confirm the page is gone. First, open your Word document and navigate to the blank page you want to delete. Next, turn on Word's hidden formatting display. Press Ctrl+Shift+8 on your keyboard. You'll see symbols appear, the paragraph mark that looks like a backward P, dots that represent spaces, and lines that indicate page breaks. Don't worry, these symbols are just for editing, they won't print. This is the same toggle you might see on the Home tab. The shortcut just makes it faster. Now, click on the blank page and select anything you find there that doesn't belong. That typically means paragraph marks stacked one after another, a page break line, or extra spaces carried over from previous content. Drag your mouse to highlight those items on the blank page only. Be careful not to select text or objects from the previous or next page. You want to remove just the marks causing the extra page. If you accidentally remove something you needed, press Ctrl+Z to undo and try selecting more carefully. Press the Delete key. In many cases, that immediately removes the blank page. If you still see it, check again for any lingering marks and delete them as well. If the blank page is sitting at the very end of your document, place your cursor right after the last piece of actual content, often at the end of the final sentence or image, and press Backspace. Keep pressing Backspace until the extra page disappears. This step removes any leftover paragraph marks or spacing that pushed content onto an empty page. Once the blank page is gone, hide the formatting symbols so your document looks normal again. Press Ctrl+Shift+8 one more time to toggle them off. Finally, save your document to lock in the change. Use your usual save command so you don't have to repeat the cleanup later. And that's it. You've deleted a blank page in Word 2007 quickly and safely, using only the built-in formatting view and a couple of keystrokes. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along as you work on your own document.